On this episode of Country Boy Gas Garage, we're going to try to get something done. So let's go. All right, guys, check it out. We got hit with some snow here in Oregon over the last couple days, and it looks like the bus is going to be hibernating for a week or so. Sure looks beautiful, though. Still coming down. I didn't quite get the shelter up in time for the bus. Probably 10 inches or so, and still coming down. Buried everything in snow. Mr. Bones starting to look like an episode of Donner's Pass here. Didn't quite make it. Well, we're going to have to find something to do today, and I think we're going to take the opportunity to go inside and paint those wheels that we got. Of course, it's too cold to paint them out here, even in the shop. Excuse the mess. I tucked them in here to keep them out of the snow. And this, you may have seen on my first episode, 59 El Camino. Now, this was going to be the focus of the channel before we found the bus. But now we will be making some videos on this car out of necessity, because I need to get it running and get it out of here. Give me the room. You know, this was a field find. Motor and transmission out of it. Really rusty. It got caught in a flood. So the underside is really rusty. And it did come with a Chevy 350 mid-70s block. I'm not sure the running condition on this. It did rotate, and he said it ran, but it's been sitting on an engine stand here for a couple years. So we'll have to pull it apart, get it freed up, and get it mounted in there with the 3-speed that came with the car. It's a 3 on the tree. I got a whole bunch of new parts for this car in the bed, all in the boxes, new radiator, all the trim, the fender ornaments, new lights, everything's in boxes, new in the back, so we're ready to go on this car. But for now, we're still working on the bus, and I want to get these wheels painted here. Again, I want to thank Troy and the guys down there at Point S Tire and Auto in Salem. They did all the work, and they did a great job. I appreciate it, guys. And again, I want to give a big thanks to Jeff and the guys that came down from the church. They were able to transport these for me, and they were able to get them sandblasted and primered at Marion AG. So I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you for the help. Of course, course, I had to fork up for these tires, and they were not cheap. I think I spent $2,100 altogether with the tires and tubes and the sandblasting. So thanks again to everybody that's helped, because this was not easy, and these tires are not cheap. Thanks, guys. All right, let's get these painted. And to do so, I'm going to have to find somewhere a little bit warmer and drier than this. I'm going to makeshift one of my storage sheds into a temporary paint booth. So let me get that all set up, and I'll bring you guys back. Okay, guys, we're all set up here in the shed. I got a heater and fan out here, so it should work as a makeshift paint booth. I started the other day by cleaning these up. I washed them all with some Dawn dish soap and rinsed them all down and let them dry. Well, I'm getting these wheels and tires all washed up so we can get them painted, and it's easy to forget how big these are, guys. They stand over 3 feet tall, and it takes quite a bit of time and effort to get them all washed up, and especially to get them all prepped and painted. So I got this one all washed up and clean, and now I got 5 more to go. And then when I got them in here, I did wipe them down with some brake clean. They had some fingerprints and some grease on them from when the guys mounted the tires. And then I just got done washing them with some glass cleaner. I was told that that's a good final rinse before they're ready for paint. So now I'm getting them all taped up. That's what we're working on now. Getting these all taped up and ready to paint. So I'm going to continue doing that. Alright guys, we're all set up and ready to paint. So let's go. All right, guys, we're all done. We're gonna let these dry, and we'll go outside and get some fresh air. All right, guys. Well, while those are drying, there's a few chores that I got to take care of. I got to stock up some firewood in the house, and we got to fill some propane tanks. Well, let's do that. Well, guys, I just want to say thank you. I appreciate all the support and all the positive comments. You know, I couldn't do it without you guys. So thank you. And it's your guys' support that's making this happen. You know, together we're going to get this bus back on the road. I can't wait for that. That's going to be glorious. Driving this bus down the road. Heading back to the old church. I can't wait. Alright, let's get this inside. Now tomorrow night it's supposed to be well below freezing. We're going to go through plenty of this firewood. Done. Alright, let's get this propane loaded. Yeet! Alright guys, I'm going to run to town and fill that propane tank, and we'll let those wheels dry overnight. So I'll see you in the morning. Morning, everybody. Well, it's a blessed day to be alive. We all made the wake-up list. Not everybody does, so be grateful and don't waste it. Alright, well, let's take a look at these wheels. I'm going to start pulling some of that tape off so we can see how well they turned out. Alright, let's start pulling this tape off. Now, this is always my favorite part, the reveal. And the most satisfying part is the unveiling. Well, there she is, looking pretty good. You know, I think this is the last one I painted, and I had an issue with that spray can, and it didn't come out as smooth as it could have, but it looks okay. Well, there she be. Now I'm going to continue on the rest of them. Alright guys, they're just mocked up. They're not actually bolted on the bus right now. I just wanted to see what they look like, and they look pretty good. We just need to get those drums turned up front and resurfaced, and then we'll be able to bolt these wheels up for good and get this bus back on the ground. Those wheels are looking good. It won't be too long now. It should be rolling down the road. Alright guys, that's another huge accomplishment. The wheels and tires were a huge component that now we've completed, and we can check it off the list. A list of things that we needed to do to get this bus back on the road. And thank you guys for all your support and watching the videos. Let's make this channel grow, guys. With you guys' help, we're going to give this bus its second chance on life. Now if you really want to help support the channel, please go over to www.countryboygasgarage.com and pick yourself up some merch. It really helps. We got t-shirts and hoodies, stickers, all kinds of stuff. And right now I'm doing a special. If you want to send me your mailing address, I'll send you a free sticker while supplies last. So go to my About section or in the description below in this video, and I'll put my email address. I also want to trade stickers with any other YouTube channels. So please send me your sticker and I'll send you mine back. My mailing address I'll also put in the About section, also in the description of the video below. And if anybody else has anything they want to send me, or anything to help support the channel, I really appreciate it. Now you guys did send me a few things, so let's go ahead and open those up now. Alright, I got a couple stickers from Howie Mook. Thanks, Howie. Yeah, it looks like the Moon Eye stickers, but with his last name Mook. Those are really cool. Thanks, Howie. And next, Jim, he gave me a Christmas card. Thanks, Jim. It says, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Hope for a brighter 2022 from Jim, the guy you sent stickers to. Thanks, Jim. Oh, and we got one from Chaz at Puglisi Speed Shop. Another Christmas card. Nice hot rod and barn on there. And, oh, he sent me a sticker. Puglisi Speed Shop. Says, thanks for your support, Puglisi Speed Shop. Awesome. Thanks, Chaz. Same to you. Oh, alright. We got one from Montana Garage. Oh, a couple stickers from Brad. Says, Jason, thank you so much for watching the channel and sending some of your awesome stickers. Keep up the good work on your YouTube, Brad. And a couple cool Montana Garage stickers. Remember guys, send me your channel stickers and I'll be getting them hung up to display soon here. Oh, and we got a Christmas card from Brian and Kim at BW's Garage. Thanks guys. Merry Christmas. I also got a package here from Glenn T. Pope. It says, enjoy your gift. I was watching your video on the bus and thought it had no wiring at all. The Lord laid it on my heart to help you with some wiring and some heat shrink. Jesus is Lord, from Glenn T. Pope. That's right, Glenn, and I really appreciate this. You sent me some heat shrink and a couple rolls, 100-foot rolls of some wiring, 16-gauge wiring. Now we're going to need this and we're going to use it, Glenn. And that leads me to the final package I get to share with you guys. I'm super excited to show you. Painless Performance Products has sent me a complete wiring kit. This is the 28 circuit classic customizable kit. Now this is a complete wiring harness. It comes with the fuse panel, all the plugs, clips, and relays. So make sure you guys are staying tuned for this install video. It's coming up soon. Alright, that's it for this video, guys. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and that you like, comment, and share with your friends. And until next time, peace.